Everyone that doesn't accept the fact that we're going to have digital currencies, digital commodities, digital tokens, real world assets, and that the modern exchange is dead, will be dead themselves. If your asset cannot trade 24/7, 365, you're not going to be able to compete. You're wishful thinking. Governments are wishful thinking that they can control Web3. They can't, and there's a reason for it, and that is because the digitalization of dollars is the purest form of me protecting myself and saying, I trust myself to custodian my money, or I trust an institution to custodian my money. I don't. There's no history in mankind where that a human being in charge of the money system doesn't print more. It doesn't exist.